Morning guys, this is Lee from Soul Sounds, just giving you a little demonstration of this new KENWOOD unit we've fitted in the VW T6 on a 2019. So you can see there we have the VW logo on it powering up. We've got wireless CarPlay with wireless Android Auto connectivity depending on the Android phone. You've got a Bluetooth, let's just go on to DAB. So you can see there you've got normal FM radio, we've got Bluetooth streaming over once the Bluetooth's paired. We've got telephone calls, which is done via CarPlay at the moment. We'll just go back. You can see we've got DAB radio. This unit is a DMX8021DABS. And this, like I said, features Apple CarPlay and wireless Apple CarPlay. So you see there we've got the CarPlay screen. At the minute, we've got the phone connected to the factory socket, so which gives us CarPlay, and that's charging while it's plugged in. So if I just go off there now, if I go back, device list, eight fingerprint marks on the screen, look at that, that needs cleaning. So then you can see there, iPhone is connected. So we just come back out the menus. We've then got wireless CarPlay connectivity. So you've got everything wireless. You'll see the phone's not plugged in. And this is a fantastic little unit for the money. On this vehicle, we've also put a reverse camera. So you can see there, the cafe guys just walked past. Obviously then we've still retained the parking sort of sensor images from the optical display, and obviously reverse camera. On this vehicle we've also, if I just go back there, retained the steering wheel controls. So you can see there, obviously turn it up and down. And we're going to track up, so you can see it's changing the DAB station name. And that's all done from the factory wheel, obviously with the volume. This vehicle, to get the best out of the DAB, we fitted a shark fin roof mounted aerial, and that looks lovely on this vehicle, nice and small profile. For any further information on products like this, if you want to give us a call on 0114 257 1550. Thanks for watching, bye.